Does collision cover hydroplaning? Have you ever wondered what happens if your car hydroplanes? Let's break down how collision coverage works in this situation. Hydroplaning occurs when your vehicle's tires lose contact with the road, usually due to wet conditions. This can lead to a loss of control and potentially an accident. Now, collision coverage is a part of your auto insurance policy that helps pay for damages to your vehicle after an accident, no matter who is at fault. This is important because if you hydroplane and crash into something, collision coverage can help cover the repair costs. If you find yourself in a single-car accident due to hydroplaning, your collision coverage will likely kick in. This means if your car hits a tree or flips over, your insurance should help pay for the repairs, minus any deductible you have. However, if your hydroplaning accident involves another vehicle, things get a bit more complicated. In this case, liability coverage comes into play. Liability insurance covers damages and injuries to the other vehicle and its passengers if you are found responsible for the accident. Determining fault in hydroplaning incidents can be tricky. Hydroplaning itself does not automatically make you at fault. Factors like speeding or distracted driving can affect who is considered responsible. If the accident happens due to conditions outside your control, like poor road conditions or faulty vehicle parts, you might not be held liable. If you ever experience hydroplaning and end up in an accident, it is wise to review your insurance policy. Understanding what coverage you have can make a big difference in how you handle the situation. Consulting with an insurance agent can provide clarity on your specific policy details and coverage limits. So, in short, collision coverage can help if you hydroplane and crash into something. But if you hit another vehicle, liability coverage will be the one to cover damages to that vehicle. Always stay informed about your insurance policy to ensure you are prepared for any situation on the road.